Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here for sale today. This one is a 1997 15-horse Mercury. This is a long shaft 20-inch, two-stroke. This one's got 110 PSI on both cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and the carburetors were cleaned. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. This is a manual start. Give it a second here. Pumping good water. This one does have the shifter in the handle. Going to forward. Back to neutral. In reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.